Can you believe that just one animal has 3 hearts and 9 brains? And it's not even the weirdest one on the list on animals with a bizarre number of organs we are looking at today. By the end of this video we will get to the creature with 32 brains. So stay with us till the end. It's time for some mind-blowing facts. First up, let's consider the octopus. The most amazing fact about this animal isn't its 8 legs. It is that this underwater genius actually has 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood. Yes. 1 main brain and a mini brain in each arm. What does the octopus do with all those brains? Good question. The central brain sits between the eyes and handles decision-making, problem-solving, learning, and coordination. Basically, the octopus's version of higher thinking. But then, each arm has its own neural ganglion, like a mini-brain. These ganglia control the movement, sensing, and response of that arm, independently of the central brain. That means an octopus can multitask like crazy. One arm can search for food, another can fend off a predator, and another can explore, all at once. And each of the arms can make complex decisions without asking the main brain for permission. Amazing, isn't it? Next up, let's talk about the earthworm with its 5 pseudo-hearts. Why does the earthworm really need so many hearts? An earthworm has a long body with 30+ segments long. So the 5 hearts help keep blood moving evenly across their entire body length, supplying oxygen even without lungs. Earthworms don't have lungs. They absorb oxygen through their skin, and the hearts circulate that oxygen-rich blood to keep their organs functioning. The blood delivers oxygen and nutrients to the muscles as the worm burrows. It also helps power their muscular contractions and digestive system, which moves food from the front to the back of the worm. Next, let's take a look at cockroaches. They've got a 13-part heart that can keep beating for hours, even headless. The cockroach's 13-chambered, flexible heart pushes nutrient-rich fluid through its body like a biological sprinkler system. And it can even pump in reverse. It's rugged, efficient, and just one more reason cockroaches are very resilient. Number 4. The amazing, beautiful starfish. Starfish don't need hearts or brains. They get by with eyes on each arm and a water vascular system. Starfish combine input from all their arm eyes to figure out where to go. It's like having 5 or more cameras feeding into one simple brain. Starfish use their eye spots to see light, dark, and shapes, helping them find food, avoid predators, and stay safe, even without a brain or central nervous system. Next up, let's consider cows. We have all seen one in our lifetime, and there doesn't seem to be anything unusual about them, right? But hang on, did you know that cows have 4 stomach compartments, perfect for digesting tough plants? Chew on that. Cows need their 4 stomachs to turn grass into energy using a mix of fermentation, rechewing, filtering, and chemical digestion. Each compartment plays a role in breaking down what would otherwise be indigestible. Fun fact, the largest compartment is called the rumen and can hold up to 50 gallons of anything. Next up are leeches, and they boast of 32 brains, 1 for each body segment. Talk about distributed intelligence. Let's take a look at the hagfish, also known as the slime eel. It has 4 hearts and produces epic amounts of slime when threatened. Hagfish are jawless deep-sea creatures that look like eels, but they're actually their own class of vertebrate. They have a low blood pressure system and a weirdly slow metabolism, so their 4 hearts help keep the juices flowing, slowly but steadily. We all love snails, don't we? Did you know that snails have thousands of teeth on a conveyor belt like radula? But before you start getting worried about if you can get a snail bite, relax. Just know that snails' teeth are not like ours. Their teeth are microscopic and super tiny. They sit on a ribbon-like tongue called a radula. Imagine a conveyor belt covered in rows of sharp, chitinous teeth. The radula scrapes, cuts, and grinds food before it enters the digestive tract. Next up, let's consider tadpoles that breathe with gills. Tadpoles start life with gills for underwater breathing, a long tail for swimming, and a plant-based digestive system. But as they undergo metamorphosis into frogs, their organs change dramatically, giving them lungs, legs, and the ability to live on land. Finally, jellyfish, no heart, no brain. Despite being animals, jellyfish lack many of the organs we think of as essential for survival, like hearts, brains, and bones. Instead, they have a nerve net, a simple system of nerves that allows them to sense their environment and move, but it's nothing like a brain. Yet they still move and sting. Stay curious, science enthusiasts. Until next time.